So you were mixing the Rubik's Cube earlier, so I think you can do it again. So what I want you to do is I want you to take it and I'll give you a head start. Just mix that cube up, okay? Perfect. Now I'm going to try and solve this cube, but with this blindfold on. And it's a metal blindfold and you can't see through it. In fact, you can check it out if you want. You can make sure you can't see through it and things. You can't see through it?
No.
No. And it's metal, right? Yeah? Okay, perfect.
Would you like a chair?
Yes. That's very helpful.
No problem, sir.
Thank you. And is that cube completely
Is there anything
mixed?
else I can do for you? No.
Okay, now are you happy that that cube is completely mixed? Yeah, okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to give it a little inspection and then I'll put the blindfold on. I'm going to look at it before I actually solve it. It's going to be very hard.